OpenRouter's always been the best way to experiment with new models when they come out, and now it's the best way to experiment with new harnesses as well with Ori Harness. More and more companies are launching harnesses, and they have a big impact on your output as a builder. And not just that, but using different models with different harnesses can also change your results. The downside is, it's a pain to try and manually download, configure, and run all these different harnesses on your own, let alone try and experiment with all these different models by messing around with the configuration every time you want to try a new one in your different harnesses. So, we built Ori Harness. Ori Harness lets you use any harness with any model by automatically configuring that harness to use your OpenRouter credentials all in a single command. So, I've been wanting to experiment with the new Prime agent, and I've also been wanting to try out Grok 4.6. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to get set up with Ori Harness, authenticate with it, download and set up Prime agent, and launch it with Grok 4.6, all in less than 60 seconds. So, let's go. Timer starts right now. I'm on the Ori Harness landing page. I'm going to copy the installation command. I'm going to go ahead and install that right here. This installation is probably going to be the longest part of the entire process, so while we wait for that to finish, I'm going to go to our models page for Grok 4.6, and I'm going to copy the slug, because after I authenticate, I'm going to go ahead and launch the Prime agent with that. Installation is just about done. After that installs, then I'm going to run Ori login, and this is going to authenticate me with a brand new OpenRouter API key hooked up to my account. I'm going to keep that limit as 20. I'm going to hit authorize, and that's going to send me back to here, and we're already authenticated. So now all I have to do is run Ori Prime agent, pass the model flag, put the slug there, and it's going to ask me if I want to install it because I've never installed it before. I'm going to hit yes, and I'm done. Now Ori Harness is going to install Prime agent and set it up to be configured to use Grok 4.6 for me. So as soon as this is done installing, it's going to pop me right into Prime agent with Grok 4.6, and it's going to be fully functional and ready to go. I did not have to do anything myself. There we go. Hey there. And we're going to talk to Prime agent. So that's how quick and easy it was. And that was including the actual installation and setup process of Ori Harness itself. The other cool thing that Ori Harness will do is it adds a model flag here so that I can switch to a different model if I want to, right from inside the terminal. Now, I haven't tried Grok Build yet either. So now that we have Ori Harness installed, it's even faster to go ahead and try out a new harness. I'm just going to run Ori Grok. It's going to ask me if I want to install it. I'm going to say yes. And so now it's going to get Grok Build installed on my machine, and this is going to be even faster because I don't have to re-authenticate. I already installed Ori Harness, and I already logged in. And just like that, now I've got Grok Build installed, and it's configured with my OpenRouter API key. Looks like it's set it up using Gemini 3.7 Flash, but again, because we've got that built-in model picker, I can say I want to switch the active model, and I'm going to say I want to try Laguna here. And now I'm using Poolside Laguna in Grok Build. It's just that easy. So go ahead and give Ori Harness a try. Link to the docs is down below. Let us know what you think.